Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Drive. Today our topic is how to find the gradient of a line from the graph. So यहाँ पे जो हमें line की equation दी गई है, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So over here m is the vertical change over the horizontal change, means m is the gradient. So m is also called rise over run. So यहाँ पर हम 2 points select करेंगे. I will tell you the easiest way. Any 2 points you will select. Now you will move to first horizontal, then vertical to reach from the first point to the second point. So we can say the change in x is from 1 to 2. ये हमारा right side पे move कर रहा है. So the change in is positive. This is 1. And it is vertically moving upward. This is also positive change. 3 to 4. 3 to 5 it will be 2. So our value over here m is equal to change in y, that is 2, change in x, that is 1. So the answer is 2. In the same way in this equation हम any 2 points select करते हैं. यहाँ पर we are selecting this point and this point, and now I am moving backward horizontally and then vertically upward. X point is negative because I am moving towards left side, so it will be -1. And the y, change in y will be 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3. So I will write the value of m easily. I can write 3 over -1. It will give me -3 in this equation. In this line we are having different points, and I will select any of the 2 points. I am selecting 1 point in the second point. Now the change in x I will find over here, change in y I can find over here. So the value of m will be change in y. Change in y is from 8 to 10, 2 points, 2 points and 2 points, total 6 points. And over here change in x is equal to 1, 2, 2 till 4 it is 2. So the answer is 3. In this line, this is a horizontal line. To find the value of m over here, m is equal to change in y. So we can see that the change in y is 0 because the value of y everywhere is 0, is 2. 2 over here, 2 over here, any points on any of the points, line is horizontal, so the value of y everywhere is 2. So there is no change in y, so no change in y is equal to 0, or 0 over change in x, 0 over horizontal change. So नीचे हम horizontal change लिखेंगे. Now the value of m must be 0. So whenever there is a horizontal line, gradient must be 0. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक वर्टिकल लाइन है. सो इन द केस ऑफ वर्टिकल लाइन द चेंज इन x इज़ नॉट टेकिंग प्लेस. द चेंज इन x इज़ 0 नाउ. सो वी विल से दैट द m, द gradient will be undefined. So in case of the vertical line the gradient will be undefined, it will be infinity because the change in x is equal to 0. So in this way we can easily find the gradients. Thank you students.